everyone, this is your host Kay and this video is presented by none other than Acid Daddy. And today we are here at the most prime location of Dwarka Expressway to discover a project which has recently been launched and has also completed 1500 crores of sale in just the first day. Yes, I'm talking about BPTP Verti Greens, which is located at Sector 102, bang on Dwarka Expressway, sharing boundaries with the landmark of Dwarka Expressway, BPTP Amstoria. So let's not hype more and start the exclusive tour. As soon as you enter your home, you're welcomed by a grand entrance. By grand entrance, I mean the 9-foot door that you're able to see. This is fire resistance and strong enough to guard you. और आपके घर में अगर किसी को एंट्री चाहिए होगी तो उन्हें ये बेल दबाना होगा and then the access would be given from inside. So this is the foyer area that you get, which is 4 into 9 feet. This connects you to the guest room and the living room. So अभी guest room को हम pause करते हैं and let's come to the living and dining room. Wow, just wow. This is what comes into my mind when I see this. Builder ने क्या सही proportion में हर चीजें decorate की हैं. Dining space, living space. This is so beautifully decorated कि अगर मेरा future में कोई घर होगा तो मैं उसको genuinely ऐसे ही decorate करूँगी. And this feels like home. One of the reason why this entire space looks huge and massive is floor to ceiling height. The floor to ceiling height is approximately 10 feet. And the size of the entire space is 15 into 21. And let me tell you another feature. The entire flooring of the common area is of imported marble. And let me tell you another thing. This is a very, very, very beautiful space that we are going to step in. This is your beautiful veranda, or you can call it deck. This entire space is approximately, I think, 8 feet, which is a huge space, which you can very well decorate it with beautiful items like a minibar or a cozy sofa there. And let me sum it up all for you. So this is going to be your dining space and this is your living room. And from here, you enter into your private space. As soon as you enter the kitchen, you can feel that it's 14 by 8 in size. Let me tell you, you will get the hob, the chimney and the wash basin. And also all these cupboards as it is. And also let me tell you, you'll not get these equipments that are loaded here. That is these OTGs and the refrigerator. But you can keep it here because you have an ample amount of space that is available. Also, like I have told you, and I really like this, when builders provide a separate area for preparation of the food and for cooking of the food. Now that we have talked about this beautiful and cozy kitchen, let's talk about the wet area. So you get enough space for you to wash the utensil. आप dishwasher भी नीचे में रख सकते हैं. There's space for you to keep your dry utensils. And also, आपको ये space मिलता है जहाँ पे आप you can iron your clothes. This is how you're going to get this entire space. और किसी भी घर में भगवान का स्थान बहुत important होता है. वही एक घर को घर बनाता है और ये बात बिल्डर को बहुत अच्छे से पता थी. They have given this entire dedicated space for a puja ghar. You can also make this your puja ghar. So now this is your beautiful first room. Here, as you can see, this is a laminated wooden flooring that you will get. You'll also get sprinklers. AC already installed है. Daikin का भी उन्होंने लगा रखा है. अब ये decided नहीं है, या तो Daikin होगा या फिर कोई और होगा. Also, the size of the room is 11 into 13, which means it's a good space. जबकि इतनी सारी movable items यहाँ पे लगा रखी हैं, फिर भी I can walk very freely. Also, let me tell you, there is a thing कि इसका बस Verti Greens नहीं नाम है. डेवलपर ने बहुत दिमाग से इसकी जो बेड की इंटीरियर्स है उसमें भी फ्लावर्स दे रखे हैं, which means this is a very, very beautiful space. So let us go to the balcony area, which is around 6 feet wide, and this railing is around 4.5 feet in height, which makes it great kids friendly. As you can see, ये बहुत अच्छा space उन्होंने दिया है. This is a wrap around balcony that you are able to see. और खासियत ये है wrap around balcony की कि आप आराम से 10 से 12 लोग यहाँ पे accommodate कर सकते हैं. And this balcony directly connects you to the master bedroom. Another word for it is luxury. A king size and a queen size master bedroom that you're able to see. इसकी इंटीरियर्स इतनी सुंदर कर रखी है. ऐसे इंटीरियर्स मैंने यूजुअली फिल्म्स और मूवीज में देखे थे, but now I can see it from my real eyes. And let me tell you, the feel of it feels like luxury. So the size of this master bedroom is 12 into 17 into size, but this looks huge. Also, the reason why this looks beautiful and huge is the interiors. Again and again, I'm telling you, this is a beautiful interior done by the developers. They have thought about it, and can you see? Come here, let me show you the vision that they had in their mind when the interior was done. This depicts a pure luxury. And do you know what? My respect for the builder has increased, because at each and every space they have provided hints which connects you to the project, because they have given, you see the placement of this plant, beautiful plant here. So now let's go to the master washroom of the master bedroom. So this is the walk-in closet. You wouldn't get it when the property is given to you, but then this is another example how you can create this entire space. और आजकल usually लोग walk-in closet को prefer कर रहे हैं, and this is how it's done. And let me tell you, I really like this because I am very close to clothes. So this is a beautiful washroom, a space given by the developer for Mrs. and a space for Mr. So there's enough space for both of you to occupy here. तो इन्होंने ये fitting और fixtures Kohler के लगा रखे हैं, and this glass partition you will get it here. Also in this entire flat, this is the space where you're going to get this cabinet. In other washroom, the cabinet is not going to be given, and this entire huge space is going to be given. So this is all about the beautiful master washroom that you get. Now let's come to the master bedroom, and also do let me know a true feedback of how you like this entire space and entire master bedroom. As I've already told you, this foyer area connects you to the living and dining room, but also to the guest room. So let's check it out. अगर मैं इस घर में गेस्ट बन के आती तो ट्रस्ट मी, मैं इस घर को छोड़ के नहीं जाती, बिकॉज दिस एंटायर स्पेस इज सो बिग. यहाँ पे इतने सारे मूवेबल और बहुत ही प्यारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स रखे गए हैं, बट स्टिल लॉट ऑफ स्पेस एंड गुड अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस इज अवेलेबल हियर. दे हैव कनेक्टेड विथ द वॉशरूम एंड अ प्राइवेट डेक. यूजुअली गेस्ट एरिया को अलग रखा जाता है अपने प्राइवेट बेडरूम और लिविंग रूम से, एंड यहाँ पे दिस इज नॉट द केस, बिकॉज यहाँ गेस्ट रूम को प्राइवेट डेक मिला हुआ है, वॉशरूम मिला हुआ है. सो दिस डजंट जस्ट गिव प्राइवेसी to the people here, but also to the guests, and which leads me to have a very good respect for the developer. So this was all about BPTP Vertigreens. In case I missed any of the details about the project, do let me know about your opinions in the comment section below. Also, if you want to know more about the project, do WhatsApp us #BPTP102 on the number mentioned on the screen. This was Kay signing out from BPTP Vertigreens.